In this animation, we will demonstrate the scapholunate ligament repair using the InternalBrace Ligament Augmentation. A tear in the wrist ligament between the scaphoid and the lunate creates an abnormal gap. If not repaired, the gap between these bones causes arthritis of the wrist. First, your surgeon makes an incision on top of the wrist and a tendon graft is harvested for the ligament reconstruction. Next, 2 metal wires are used to close the abnormal gap. While these bones are held in place, 3 metal wires are inserted into the scaphoid and lunate as guides and 3 sockets are drilled. Next, the surgeon takes one end of the tendon graft and loads it onto the bone anchor along with the suture tape. This anchor is then inserted into the first hole drilled on the scaphoid. Then, a second suture anchor is used to insert the same construct into the second hole drilled onto the lunate. Lastly, your surgeon takes the final anchor and inserts the same tendon graft and suture tape into the third bone socket. The remaining tape is cut, completing the reconstruction with InternalBrace Ligament Augmentation.